Hello everybody, so today I'm gonna do InfoSecWarrior CTF 2020. That's part 1. Okay, this is the one, and it has other part also. So basically let's get started with. So first of all, we do sudo net discover. Let's wait for a few seconds. I think it will take a little bit of time. So this is my other virtual machine, so login screen, and it has this server, so let's wait. So this is my other virtual box IP address. Let's exit this. Then let's copy this IP address and let's see on our browser how it looks. Let's paste it over here. Then let's try, let me make this device a full screen, right? Switch. Okay, let's make it so this is my IP address. Then here we can see you may add a content to var www html and so on, so we can add our content. If we are a root, then what we can is, let's look at Nikto does h and http. Let's see. So it has a version 22.1.5. so here I can do nmap scan, I guess. See the ports number what are open, so let's do vertically. Let's exit this out, let's exit it, and let's do nmap dash a dash sv to, and let's do okay. So from here what we can see is version is 2.215, and we can use post, get, edit, option and trace and so on and so forth. So we have this other file called sitemap.xml, and there is icon, then icon read as the default file font. So let's wait for it. So what we can do is, let's check it if we have anything inside here. Let's look at it, HTML. So we have nothing, I guess. So it shows the file www.3z, so general, so it has nothing special going on. So we have found that the file name was so let me just undo that. Then let's do site.xml. let's hit enter. So we have this website and this index dot html. So what the fuck I mean this file. Next, let's navigate to that file, and let's copy this and let's just paste it. Okay, keep calm and hack. So let's see our nmap scan. So we have port 80 and port 22. One is for Edge and one is for TCP. So we have seen that TCP is Apache default website at first. Then here is let's do our HTML. Let's see our HTML file. So here is our file, right? Something is hidden, so let's remove this hidden file attributes, I guess, and let's use remove this too. So something is making request. There is our form and there is cmd.php, so the command, and it is using method as get, so it's just hiding it. So let's just hit enter, then let's scroll down so we can write here our command, I guess. Yes, no. So if you remember properly, while we are doing Nicto search, we found that we can just edit our post or our request. So currently our request is get, so we can use it as a post. So that way we can use this command post. Then let's do submit. So we have these files. Okay, that's nice. So what do we next, let's do cat. So let's use our let's see the user. So we have this user 123 is W01 and 2 and 3. So these are the users, right? So here we have port 22 is open. Let's try SSH login. So my first so SSH and is w0@192.168.56, then .104, I guess, IP address. That's the one. Then this is the username. Let's copy this, let's hit enter. Okay, SSH connection refuse. Okay, because connection refused because I have used wrong IP address. Then let's try to copy that. So basically I'm copying the user name and password is also same. So let's try that. Permission denied. Please try again. Is W0. Let's wait. Permission denied. So it's not working, right? So this user doesn't have that SSH. So I mean, I don't have the password, so it's not working. So let's try with another user, that is 1, and let's do is W2. Let's hit enter. Let's wait. Permission denied. Okay, that's fine. I guess my spelling is incorrect. That's why I just need to copy this. Then let's paste it. Not this way. So it's like that, but this user also doesn't. I don't have this. That didn't work. So let's try with another user. Then let's copy this. Copy this and let's paste it. Okay, now we can do Control X or something. Control C. Then we have our cell. So who am I? So it's showing us. Let's use cat to flag our flag not found. So it's telling us to try harder, right? And let's use username. So this is the user InfoSecWarrior. So let's try sudo. That's al. So iw2. Sorry user, I may not use sudo on InfoSecWarrior. That's all right. So next approach is what port is listening, let's use net start as empty net start, right? Let's use net start. So we have port, so nothing much is going on, there is nothing special going on. Then let's use cd, then let's use as home directory ls. Then what we can do, so let's see the page, our main page. So we have this page, then cd var html. Let's see the file cmd. So if we remember, right, here we can change. If we look at the default page, it shows this location var www html, and I'm going through that, and let's see this page, cmd.php. okay, I have already got it out. So let's do, look, the first username was is w0 and its password is this. So let's try ssh login. So ssh @192.168.56.104. let's hit enter, and let's copy this password. Okay, it's not working, right? It's working, but my mouse is not being properly clicked. Let's copy this, let's paste it over here, and let's hit enter. So I have been logged into this ISWOR user. So let's see the file, let's see all the file. So I have that file. Then let's do sudo dash l. So it has this no password, so it has sudo's vulnerabilities. And let's try, let's see ls, then cd home, ls cd is 0 ls get user. So we have essentially got user, this hashes. Then we need to root elevate this privilege. So we have there is a sudo, so this user can run a sudo. So bin ping 6 and bin ping, and we have bin rpm and bin ls, bin root, and so on and so forth. So let me view, then let's remove this. And if we go over gft bin, so what we can try is, let's try ping. So there is no binaries over here, so definitely rpm, and let's click it. And we need a sudo, right, sudo cheat code. And let's try copying this. Let's copy this, and let's run it over here. Let's paste it over here. Okay, so our password would be this. Let's copy this selection, let's paste it, let's hit enter. Then let's write who am I root. So this is our root. Let's see all the file. Okay, Then let's write as home, I guess. If we do backwards, okay, that's fine. cd user, then okay, let's go at home, cd home ls. Then let's log in as cd as okay isw1 ls. So cd, okay, I'm just searching for root flag. So then okay, we are at the file. So if we just do cat.flag .txt, so this is our root flag, and we have got our user flag somewhere over here, right? Okay, where is that file? Somewhere up. Okay, it's somewhere down. Oh, here is our user flag and here is our root flag. Thank you guys, hope y'all been enjoying this video. Thank you.